Westermans here with another arrival, which is a Fronius CMT 400 quick function test. Obviously that's the CMT torch on it, machine water cooled. As you can see, condition of the machine is like 2. Can come with a spare torch, so it's been offered with one torch as a package. More details available on westermans.com on this. There's also a selection of consumables, which are actually rolls of wire, torch spares, one or two other items shown in the photograph above the video. I'd say more details available on westermans.com. Thank you for looking.